Man, it was a really great idea to put the fucking kind bar in my mouth right before this fucking song ended. Anyway, hi everybody, welcome to CrystalDust Development Stream, October 18th, 20... Hold on. Let's try that again. Okay, hi everybody and welcome back to CrystalDust Development Stream. Today is October 18th, 2020. And hello to Treviso, Nadia Davis, Master of Shuppets, Captain Dingpot, and oh hey, Asparagus Eduardo, hello. Anyway, sorry about the long time it had to set up because I normally don't start at 2:10, I start at 2. But yeah, I had some issues with my setup. Fun times. Please keep that in the VOD, please. Oh fuck, I still haven't edited like the VODs from like the past few weeks. Yeah, but I didn't just have issues with my setup, I'm also getting over a slight hangover. So that's fun. I'm not entirely sure what the fuck is going on here. I don't know why we have so many changes. Because I'm really confused as to what the hell happened here. Partied last night? Sort of. I mean, as much as I could while staying inside, you know? I drank quite a bit and just hung out with my friends and played, like, video games on computer. Like, Among Us and shit. Which is always fun. Hey, Sarah, how are you aside from hungover? Decent. Were you trying to hit the Balmer Peak? I mean, there was a lot of programming last night for some reason while we were having downtime in between games. I would just switch back to CrystalDust. I don't know why the fuck this is, like... What are the modifications here? Are these, like, old modifications that I just didn't commit? Oh, this is just... Oh, jeez. Yeah, okay. Reset to head, please. And pull. You streamed last night? No, I just played it with my friends. I like playing a game with my friends. Get clean up, I think. Get... Jesus, okay. Alright, whatever, I'll just remove these manually. Okay. Not RM, get RM, I get RM. Fuck, yeah, I know it's a directory, shut up. Okay. So basically all of this shit is happening because I changed up how the repo was being loaded in. I put it all in like the Linux file system on my main user account. Unfortunately, I can't access those files from this user account, so I have to kind of go with a copy of it that lives on my Windows folder, which is always a good time. And it just makes for this annoying inconsistency. So that's fun. All right, there we go. Okay, so I actually redesigned a few of these maps. Here's the redesigned rooftop here. You can see the, you just have a staircase in the corner like Crystal had. Unlike the other style I had. I think this whole thing looks a lot cleaner now. All right, let's open. Snazzy indeed. Yeah. Okay. So last night I was actually working on the rooftop, so... If you were streaming, I wouldn't have made it because yesterday was my mom's birthday and I was very tired because I binge watched season 1 of Troll Drama Island the night before. What a sentence. Okay, so let's build this. Heather was so unlikable. I think that was the point of her character, right? I have not watched that in a long time. Nor did I really... I don't know. Meh. I never really liked it back when it was on. But hey, that's just me. It's definitely better when you're a late teen or adult. Really? I would have said that it would be worse, but okay. What the fuck? I was looking for help on how to fix this issue with WSL, WSL, Linux Windows stuff. And somebody posted having problems running VirtualBox inside WSL 2. I'm running Windows 10 inside a virtual machine on native Ubuntu. Since I want to run Ubuntu inside the Windows virtual machine, I've been running WSL 2. Today I realized I wanted access to Windows inside WSL 2. But after I installed the Linux version of VirtualBox inside WSL 2, inside the Windows virtual machine running on Ubuntu, performance is frankly unusable for even the most basic tasks like playing Metro Exodus. Will Microsoft fix this bug anytime soon? And that's... I know it's probably a troll, but it's really funny. The guy claims to be running, like, on his computer is running Ubuntu, and then inside that he's running a virtual machine of Windows. And inside of that he's running WSL 2, which is a virtual machine of Ubuntu. And inside of that, he's trying to run a virtual machine of Windows. And he's trying to play a game on that. It's a fucking, like, Russian nested doll thing of like, virtual machines. They had to eat bull testicles for God's sake and censored nudity. How did it make it to a Cartoon Network and not Adult Swim? That doesn't sound like... I don't know. That doesn't sound too inappropriate, I guess, for, like, a Cartoon Network. I don't know. CrystalDust.gibba. Galaxy Brain, indeed. What? Alright, so we have first floor. We actually have the counter up here now, just because I felt like it was... Just felt like moving it would be a little bit more accurate to the original. Second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, sixth floor, and the roof. There's parts where you can tell that some words were re-recorded and they were supposed to say cuss words. Not cuss words. Hey, some trainers are battling on the road. A Pokemon fired a flurry of leaves. That makes me feel like battling right now. These binoculars let me see far away. Maybe I can see my own house. Is it the one with the green roof? Oh, wow. Will you quit bothering me? You know, I'm actually pretty happy with how those the binocular tiles turned out, because I made those last week. So that's pretty neat. Pardon, who says an adult can't get into this? I'm gonna be back every day to collect all the dolls. Vending machine for Pokemon dolls, insert money, then turn the crank, but it's almost empty. Also, a guy brags how he saw a girl's boobs. I have bargain sales here every so often. All right, thanks, small child. All right, so I think that is the rooftop basically done, like script-wise. What I want to do now is I want to make the night mode tint work. Yeah, because right now you can see it doesn't actually make everything. It doesn't light up the windows. It doesn't make. It doesn't have lights where it should have lights. So let's do it. Let's do that. Make it do. Yes. All right, so we need palette overrides. Yeah, House of palette overrides general. Okay. Let's add one here. All right, so what do we need to override here? Here we go. This window tile and also the floor tile. Oh, they're the same palette. Nice. So then let's see. I need to make these blues. Okay, so it's palette 9. Giving you a little sneak peek into how my tile system, my day-night system works. Okay, palettes. Let's do palette 9. Save it as 09 over night. 09 over. Actually, I'm gonna call it no win and win. And I'll explain the reasoning for this. It's even more funny that 2/3 of the characters are supposed to be the most cliched characters that are stereotypes of very common characters in these reality shows. What? Okay. I don't know what the fuck you're trying to say there, but okay. But anyway, let's go here. Show plays like a reality show. Yes. Yes. Okay, so I want the orange floor to stay exactly the same. So let's. So if I put zeros, then it'll tint properly. So I'm gonna put 3 zeros and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have. Is this? What blues are there? Just these last 3 colors are blues. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then for the no win, we're gonna overwrite these with zeros as well. And then for the over win, I need to tint these correctly. So let's see. I think the way I would do it is with Photoshop. I wrote down the information for myself in my docs. Window lights are 60-degree hue in Photoshop. Perfect. Thanks, Pastira. No, I don't want... What? Okay. Adjustments. Let's take... What is it? Levels? No. Curves? No. How did I do this? Hue saturation. Here we go. Okay. What did I say it was? 60 degree? 60 degree hue, yeah. Well, that's not right. That's dang yellow. That's green. Wait, where are the... Oh, fuck. Of course. This is not the right one. I need to be using the one with palette 9. Here we go. And then adjustments. Hue. 60, what? Negative 60? No, what? I don't get it. What the fuck is going on? This used to work just fine. The fuck? Okay, whatever. I think I did it actually a different way originally. I think I did this and then, oh, that's right. I just set it to 60. I didn't tint it to 60. Okay, that's what it was. So then we use this on cancel. Color table, that's what I do. Yeah, I remember now. I remember my thing. Okay, so it's 237, 237, 90. And this one is 255, 255, 107. And this one's 255, 255, 156. Awesome. So those are in place, and then I just need to do copy this. And then the Terminator. Okay, so from our night to our morning. All right, where do I find this? Graphics.inc. All right. And then at night, we will override with a window. But at all other times of the day, we will override. How did I do the calculations for the overrides, actually? The start hour is less than the end hour, and The current hour is greater than the start hour and less than the end hour. Okay, so yeah, it's if it's in between those like that, or if start hour is greater than the end hour, which means that we want to go over the other border there. Yeah, that is correct. Okay. Cool. Okay. So I'm gonna do a little tricky thing here. I'm just gonna make the by default from hour 0 to hour 23. Yeah, from hour 0 to hour 23, it'll be no win. And then it'll do the window. Okay, you know, and then if I'm doing that, if I could just combine them like that, then I can just do that. And then I don't have to have duplicated colors. All right, let's build that, and that should make it so that the tiles, the colors that I want to stay, and the ones that I want to be window color are window color. All right. I'm actually going to save right here. Okay. Let's go through the cycle. Oh, shit. Instead of 0 to 23, it is going to be 0 to 24. You see how like the tiles inside stay lit up at night? They stay lit up no matter what, because if you were to walk inside, they would do that. Yeah, look at that. I like that. Fucking easy. I guess if you go downstairs, then you just... They would be lit up like that at all hours of the day anyway, so... Hell yeah. Oh yeah, a little Easter egg. In Crystal, whenever you would press A on the buttons next to the elevator, it would just do this. So just a little Easter egg, I added that in here. Anyway, I think I have to just make the elevator now. New map. Map group 11. Doesn't matter those size yet. Building. Apartment store. Doors. Goldenrod City. Cannot fly, run, bike, escape. Floor number is 0. Has phone service. Does. Okay. And let's create this map. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't use this. It uses facility, doesn't it? For the elevator? No? Wait. How is this? Pokemon Fan Club? I call it Pokemon Fan Club. Still. Okay. Well, that's fine. I'm not a fan of the stair location, especially because of my OCD. It feels like it should be on the left side because the floor down the stairs are on the left. Well, you see... You see... I'm just doing what Game Freak did. And what do I mean by that? Well, if I go up to the 5th floor, to get to the rooftop, I take this staircase. And then I come out on the right. Just like my map. That's what I based mine on. Game Freak messed up? Meh, maybe. Alright, and then let's do this. And the exterior door mat thing. And then it'll change to be... Oh, Jesus, that's not what I meant. That's what I meant. Yeah. Didn't I save? Fuck. Okay, so let's put some collision. Easy. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it had warps 127. How the Kanto music and CrystalDust will be interesting when you get to them in 2 years. Alright, new warp. Make it to, let's go to destination map none. Warp 127. It's a very special warp. And then we'll put a sign. And then I'm just gonna yoink this entire script from here. Goldenrod is probably the city that'll take the longest to make. Yep. Which is why it's taken me so goddamn long so far. Event script. Keypad actually. Okay. Set department store floor. What is this? The pace afterwards will probably pick up a lot. Well, you don't know that for sure. I don't think that for sure even. Actually, the poor script way of doing this would be if flag temp 2, if not that, then it would do special set department store floor. R8005 department store floor. Show the floor select. Message, which floor would you like? Hydrate. I will do so. Thank you. Probably need that more than ever because of the drinking I did. Here's the elevator in the original. It just has elevator. It just has an elevator command. That's interesting. I did not know that. Oh yeah, here's the Easter egg I was talking about. Alright, so this does... Which floor? What does it do in fire red? Which floor do you want? And what does it do in red? Oh. I can't redeem poster check. Poster check? Posture check, maybe. I don't know why you wouldn't be able to if you have the points for it. Did you run out of points? Oh yeah, so it does say actually which floor do you want in this one as well. Interesting though, they're flipped. In Fire Red, they do have it from 1 on the bottom to 5 on the top. They don't have it like that on Red, so I should flip it too. Nice. Now I have about 3K. Well, what happens when you try to redeem it? Alright, so which floor? It says you already redeemed that reward. Shouldn't be a one-time thing though, what the fuck? Actually, let's see, case 0. Does this blow scripts ensure the cursor for floor select always starts on the current floor? Oh, nice. Five, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, B1F. And then they all go to choose floor, which is this. Actually, it should just be the same thing except replace each of the cases, and then we also have a case multi-beat pressed. Which does this, special close department store elevator. Which is just the last thing it does anyway, so. Today's a nice, chill, relaxed stream, just because I don't have much energy today. So I hope you guys find this as fun as normal. All right, so here's one of these. Wait, what is the... What does it look like in Lily Cove? Oh wow, the department store looks a lot more like the crystal one here. Interesting. Yeah, it's really interesting. I don't know why. Oh, it's inverted. 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and then 1st, 2nd, etc. Okay. So this is actually the 1st floor. Map. Goldenrod City. Department store 1F. Yeah. They stopped trusting people using the elevator. Looks that way, doesn't it? Had to get an attendant. So which warp do we use for this? This first map, it's 2. This one is 2. On this one, it's also 2. Okay, I think they're all just 2 on every map. Okay. Wait. No, they did a positional? Really? Why? Yeah, because if you put 285 there, that makes it a positional. Why would they make that a positional warp? That's stupid. If var department store floor num 1F. Well, actually, if it's not that, then we can call the move elevator script. Someone must have had a kink with the elevator bus that they had to have someone supervise the elevator. You know what? The reasoning that I'm coming up with for why they did it that way is actually because normally the button for an elevator is right by the front of the door, right? Like you walk in, you turn around, and it's like right there. But how are you supposed to represent that in Pokemon? You can't, because the way the angles are, it just doesn't let you do that. So what they have instead is they'd have a person standing there to represent that they would be pushing the buttons that are facing away from you. Instead of having like what Fire Red did and just having you stand at the vac there. You see? I think that's what I think that's what happened. Also, I also like how the Fire Red one is almost exactly the same as the Emerald one, like in style and everything. You don't get a lot of things like that are shared between the two games. Also, the door isn't even centered, guys. Come on. I'm trying to think as if I was in this world. Sure, I'm trying to think of as if I was making the world. Okay. So that's the first floor. Second floor. Third floor. Fourth floor. Fifth floor. And sixth floor. And then of course you have the basement. Which isn't technically a thing yet, but you know. I can't do that, can I? Fuck. Just leave it like that for now. Okay, is that it? Just did this and then the exit floor select. And of course, oh yeah, there's a move elevator. I need to do that. Don't need this. the rest of this and just have this. Awesome, okay. And then we just have to add that into the elevator. And just set up all the warps to the elevator. I don't know why it doesn't stay on the fucking warps tab. I thought it did. Alright, and then save all. These should all be on the elevator now. Yeah, okay. Oh, this won't work because of the parentheses. And obviously the UI isn't going to work quite right yet, but you know. I bought a candle yesterday and it smells really nice and I'm happy. Vanilla and sandalwood. Too many positional arguments. Eh? The fuck? What the hell happened here? Oh, huh. Whoopsie daisies. Hey, hello, Brus07, Brew SV07, or bruh. All right, elevator. Elevator? Huh? How you doing? I doing good. I'm a little hungover, but that's it. Also eating peanut butter filled pretzels again because I didn't eat anything before streaming, so that may have been a poor idea. Sounds delicious. They're pretty good. I'd like to play Among Us with fans at some point. The thing is, though, if I'm streaming Among Us, then y'all will know exactly who the fuck I am. And I guess I would have to trust y'all not to look at it. But, like, that would be unfair. But Among Us is fun. Played a lot with my friends. What the fuck? Why is this not working? 5th floor? Why is this warp not saving? Do I have to like specifically go to every floor and be like, save? Save. 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 Build. Because, you know, hitting save all should save all, you know. Oh, welcome, definitely not. Even just like the salt crystals off of these are great. Thought maybe it would be better to mute myself while I ate, because y'all probably don't want to hear me. I like the ones with chess in it. Cheese. I don't like that artificial cheese shit. It's bad. What the fuck? Why are you not warping correctly? I'm legitimately confused right now. Why the fuck is this not working? Yeah, what the fuck? This didn't save? Oh. Turns out I'm just dumb. I put the warp as elevator instead of the map. Save all. And build that shit. Yesterday I was out walking in a park with my friend, and there was a person from the county there for some reason giving away free masks. And they weren't like shitty masks either. They were like nice ones made by Hanes apparently. And even though we were wearing masks, they offered us 2 each. And the funny thing is, they feel exactly like Hanes underwear. And when you carry them, it looks like you could be carrying just like a pair of tidy whities. And it's like, I'm guessing if you were to wear them, you would look like you're just wearing underwear on your face. Elevator! Well, that's not right. That's also not right. That's also not right. It don't change. Yeah, it's all sorts of fucked. But I'll fix that. Alpha Remaster keeps uploading RSC music with the Fire Leaf Green style. Sounds very interesting. Nice. Almost like CrystalDust Heavy Island music. I mean, maybe, but it's not like I've told him to do that, so he's just kind of doing whatever, man. Yeah, I don't want to have scripts.ink open. Are you crazy? Okay, so what the hell is our department store floor used for? Is it just for any elevator? Not just for the department store. Okay, well, let's see. Instead of this, we'll do... Okay, elevator floor number 1F. And we're gonna go 6F. I don't think the music would sound out of place, to be honest. It's still in the Fire Leaf Green style and Savannah and CrystalDust is gonna contain some home Pokemon. Yeah, I mean, that's... I'm not saying that's off the table or anything. F, 3F, 4F, 5F, 6F. You will see in 3 years, maybe. You don't know. Delta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, cool. Can move between 10 floors like that. Move elevator window lights. Here we go. Elevator window tiles. Battle Frontier? So let's see, this would be elevator top 0, top 1, top 2, elevator mid 0, whoops, mid 1, mid 2. Is that how that is laid out? Yeah. Bottom 0, bottom 1, bottom 2. So instead of Battlefront here, we're gonna do save it, build it. I don't think Kanto would take as long because you could probably just copy the Fire Leaf Green maps with a few changes that will make it similar to the Gold Silver Crystal versions. I could do that. I don't know if I want to be so lazy. I don't know. Metatel department store elevator top 0. Oh no, it's not department store elevator shit. It's Pokemon fan club. Honestly though, the biggest part is not the mapping. The mapping takes a relatively short time compared to like actually creating the events of the world. Okay. And now we're on 6F. The multi-choice is still wrong, but I can fix that. Multi-choice list floors. Instead of calling that multi-choice list floors, we'll call that multi-choice list going on our department store floors. I could see you making changes like having the path bend upward in Vermilion City towards Diglett Cave. Yeah, I guess that would be one of the changes I would make if I were to do that. But I don't know. I feel like that's kind of a lazy approach, and I might want to do something else. Not sure yet. Have not gotten there yet. How's it going, CrystalDust? I am not CrystalDust. I don't know if you think my name is CrystalDust. My name is not CrystalDust. All right, so here's the multi-choice. Obviously, you need to fix it. So 6 doesn't do anything as it shouldn't. 5 does that. 5th floor. Is it supposed to do that? Feels like it's doing it for too long. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. B1F doesn't work. First floor. All right, look at that. Awesome. Sorry, I'll write better. How's it going with this game? It's going well. Not sure what else to say about it. We're in Goldenrod City. And it's fine, it's going fine. All right, scrollable multi-choice. Fixing bugs? No, don't need to fix any bugs right now. Working on the Elevator, actually. Okay. Multi-choice default. The way it does it is it has XY list default XY list default B. You know what I don't get though is why this isn't like a script command instead of a special. I don't know. It seems like it could be used a lot better. I might do that in the future, but not right now. Are you planning to put references and dialogues to other Pokemon games like X, Y, Sun, Moon, Sword, Shield? Probably not, unless it's like to Emerald, because that would be chronologically congruent. 2006. Let me just check how the default option works. Your default choice. Good beatbox. Thank you. Really? Oh yeah, second is default choice and then last is ignore B press, and then they flip it around here for some reason. And what does this function do here? Initial cursor position. S menu.cursor pause. Where is this? I know that there must be one variable here that controls the current item, right? This menu gets scrolling around. Scroll offset in selected row. Ah. Wait, where the fuck is the up and down here? What the fuck? It is all done right there. Okay. What's another scrollable multi-choice? The item bag. Move cursor callback. With list menu init. Ah, here we go. Scroll offset and selected row is when you call list menu init. Here we go. T scroll offset and T selected row. Wow, it's not actually ever used anywhere. That's funny. Okay. This week they're going to release the second part of the Sword and Shield DLC, but they aren't promoting as much as they did with other games. I don't understand. I don't know, man. I don't claim to know what the fuck Game Freak is ever thinking, so sorry. I cannot help you there. Okay, but where the fuck do I set up the default for this? Or rather, not where, but how. Because I found where, but I don't know how to calculate where we would set that. Because it's not just a matter of setting one variable, you have to set two. You have to set the scroll amount and the index. So how do you calculate where those would be? What is what do you do? You don't bother. You don't have to. And of course, you don't have to. Do you bother? You don't bother. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I know not. Where the fuck is it? How do I calculate this? It's like, okay, how does it know whether to scroll or whether to I have followed you on Twitter. I'm Dr. Coronavirus. Ha! Torcor, I see. Mm-hmm. Move cursor func. Let's check whenever that is called. Here we go. List menu.c calls it here. List menu call select and change callback. So how does this do it? Change selection. Old selected row. Okay. This menu updates selected row index and scroll offset. I'm not really sure what I'm looking at here. Okay, I gotcha. So moving down is that okay? Are you the only one who is using the DoMoreAwesome account? Yes. I wanted to make it like a more people thing than just me, but did not work out. So I am basically DoMoreAwesome, even though my online name is actually Sierra Affinity, but I'm also the only person behind DoMoreAwesome, so. Oh man, this isn't. That's annoying to calculate here, isn't it? What did I do in CrystalDust Beta or version 2? I'm curious. Did I even set it to have a default? I might not have. Oh, I did. Oh, look at that. I actually got that to work. I asked this question because I see that in Twitter you have mentioned some videos with another guy. Yeah, I used to record videos with my friend Ray a while ago, but we don't do that anymore, unfortunately. It's just me now. Just me, you girl. Okay. So I'm gonna have to use this to calculate where to put this thing. So max showed is basically the if there's okay, max showed is the amount of items to show at once. So it's calculating new row as being max showed divided by 2 plus max showed modulo 2. So let's say there were like 7 items. It would put us on... Okay, so 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, round down because integer math, so 3. Plus max showed modulo 2 would be 1. So it's going to set us at item number 4. We're currently at new row is item 4. If scroll offset is list template total items minus max showed. Jesus, it's annoying to calculate. At least mentally. Could probably do this easier if I actually wrote it out. Okay, you know, it's 3:30. It's time for my midstream break. Hopefully I'll be able to come back and do this better. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, we're back and we're here. We are back and here and everything exists in peace and harmony. Except for the fact that I have to figure out how the fuck to do this. I honestly might just copy this part out and then extracted it to its own function. The fuck? What? I don't understand what this means. Okay, so this is trying to set it to 1 below the center. Okay, yeah. Because, hold on, let's make a diagram to understand this better. All right, we're breaking out the MS Paint, boys. All right. So we got list items. This is gonna be pain. All right. So let's say this is like a regular list, okay? And then we have the outside areas here. So text. This is the scroll offset. And this is the selected row shit. So the selected row is independent of the scroll offset, and the scroll offset is likewise independent of the selected row. Oh yeah, then we of course can say that this is the max showed. Shit. And then this is total items. Okay, so you see how everything is like done here? Like it's a sliding window of max showed over the entirety of total items, and selected row kind of does a little thing in the middle there to select one within the window of max showed. So this is saying if list template max showed is 1, if there's only one item being showed, then then selected row is always going to be 0. Otherwise, make a new row be list arrow template dot max showed, which is this. So in this case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's make it 7, so it's a little bit more interesting. Yeah. Cool. Okay. So this is doing is dividing max showed by 2. So 7 divided by 2, 3.5, which an integer is 3. So it finds 0, 1, 2, 3, currently right there, plus max showed modulo 2. So, wait. I don't know why it always goes 1 lower. That's weird. Because if it's modulo 2, if dividing it by 2 is going to be 3, then 0, 1, 2, 3, new row, I mean, that's exactly in the middle. That's weird. I don't get it. You'd think you'd want exactly in the middle, but meh. And then it would do modulo 1, so it would actually move it to right there, to 1 below the center. Because it would be adding 1, because 7 modulo 2 is 1. And then if scroll offset, which is the current scroll offset, equals the list, equals the total items minus max showed. Okay, so that basically is saying if the window has scrolled to the very bottom of the item list. If it has scrolled to the very bottom of the item list, then while it is less than max showed minus 1, we will bump selected row up. And unless it's not list header, in which case we'll just bail out immediately. Otherwise, we're not at the bottom of the list. And while selected row is less than new row. Okay, so if there's it's basically saying if there's 3, if it's an odd one, it'll take like a window of like 3 in the center and it'll let you go between those just fine. Like, look at this. Okay, so we have how many items in this list? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see, we have like a little area of 2 items here in the middle where we can just switch between them and it won't scroll. If this was an odd number list, it would be 3 items in the middle before it scrolled. So new row is a misnomer. New row is actually more like scroll boundary. More like scroll boundary row. And this is basically allowing for, like, from here we can go all the way up to here, and then next one down will actually scroll the entire list instead of moving the cursor by 1. Okay, so this logic is making sense to me. So struct list menu list. List menu init, it'll go to list task ID. Yeah. Ugh. So we'll take this as two U16 pointers. I don't remember the elevator reaching this many floors in Crystal, huh? What do you mean? It's supposed to reach B1F through 6F, which is why I need to make this a scrollable multi-choice instead of a regular one. I thought it was just 5. Nope. U16 max showed. U16. What does this do? Where does it copy that list to? Just list arrow template becomes that. Okay. It's kind of jank right now, but I think it's gonna be fine. So we don't need to actually save that because otherwise we are already doing that. Huh? This is... Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make it more like this already. Yeah, it'll just... Yeah. Sorry, I'm not really talking much right now. I'm trying to focus a lot on this. Because shit's gotten quite complicated. So I'm in focus mode. Selected row, local. Actually, no, it'll just be selected row. Crystal had a roof. Yeah, but not the elevator couldn't get there. List menu. Calculate selected row index and scroll offset. From absolute index. Yeah. Do U16. That was the absolute index. Oh yeah, okay. I could just do no. Yeah. Oh man, I thought I had something here and now I'm lost again. Does not help that my brain is not 100% here because of the being hungover kind of shit, you know. It's not good. Oh. Oh. I got something. Well, that is less than that. And well, scroll offset doesn't actually change, does it? Nah, I see. Okay, here we go. While absolute index minus. We'll do continue. So if I'm right, this should just loop over this until we get to the index the absolute index that we want. Of course, we should start at 0. Okay, so hopefully this will work. We'll see. That was really jank, but I think it should work. All right, so list menu, calculate row index and scroll offset from absolute index. And we pass it in the template. The absolute index that we want, G special var 8005, and the pointers. Come on, where's the right? Where is it? Where is it? There we go. Just let me know. Let's reminding myself to check if this is jank later. Not that. So this is going to be 8005 and 6. Start at 0, and then don't need to do that. Yeah, and then player's house. Whoops. All right, I can do that change later, but right now let's just see if this works. No, what? All right, let's see. Oh, cool. Oh no. Oh no. What? Right. I didn't actually set it to be the right one. Yes, let's go to next Friday. Please here. Select it. All right, so scroll multi. I'm not ready for the work week. Scroll multi. Going right department store floors. So number of items, that should be 7, 8. Oh, wait, why am I using 8005 for that? Hold on. Or I guess it's 8006 now. Because I could just use one of the values in here, right? Nope, they're all used. Oh, wait, no, 9 and 10 are not. T... Exit with B. Ignore B press, sorry, yeah. Yeah. I'll just be for all of these. Yeah, the way they did the scrollable multi-choice is weird. So it's kind of, I have to kind of hack it, like make it, do a little hacky stuff to make sure that it works properly. Which also means I get to get rid of 2006. And in New Bark. Build it! I'm just gonna save right here. Of course, because actually I forgot to assign the name. Hey, that's not right. But it almost is. It shows that it's on 1F for some reason. Like, it's definitely not right, but it's not... Not sure why it shows another one there. Oh, because of this. Yeah. Wait, no, it didn't build. In any case, the scrolling isn't working quite as I hoped it would. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, because this needs to go in here like that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is janky as fuck. But that's fine. All right, look at that. Want to go to 1F? I don't know why I went up to 1F, but it... All right. Yeah, instead of doing a switch on var result, I can just do a copy var to var result from, or no, to var 8005 from var result. And then do a special and await state. So no more switch case. No more switch statement. Oh wait, if it's a special var, I can just do 8005 directly, not have to copy it. I don't think get department store default floor choice even takes 8004. Doesn't. All right, let's do this. Come on, we can do this. Yes. Come on, load you bitch, load you bitch, bitch. I'm gonna fucking pretzel bite. Okay. Not sure why I did that, but... Oh. I am very confused as to what's going on right now. Yeah, it used to just be special RV result. Get department store default floor choice. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. On the 5th floor, what does it do? Yeah, if I fix the scrolling, it works again, but... Okay, so let's walk through what this is doing exactly. So when we pass an absolute index of 1, which would be the 5th floor, this loop will execute 1 time. If the scroll offset equals total items minus max showed, so it's like if scroll offset is 1, which it isn't, otherwise, while it's less than scroll boundary row, we do selected row plus plus. If it's not list header, then we set that continue. Then we stop that, we break out of it, and then we're done. Just an idea. Let's see. That's not right either. Well, I just made it worse. Nice. I think I'm gonna have to like legitimately figure this out as opposed to doing all this screwing around nonsense. This is so annoying. My God. How are y'all doing? Y'all enjoying this? I would not be surprised if you weren't, to be honest, but, you know. This is just how it is sometimes. You gotta fucking do the annoying shit like this. While... Nope. F just crashes. Cool. I think I'm overcomplicating this. I'm like almost sure that I'm overcomplicating this. Okay. Figure that all out. Okay, so while we are trying to, we're still bumping down absolute index. We add 1 to the selected row. If selected row is greater than, let's put that above actually, yeah. Scroll boundary row. Then okay, actually, if selected row plus 1 is greater than scroll boundary row, now we do want this comparison here. Okay, so first we should probably like fix absolute index if it's wrong. If absolute index is greater than template total items minus 1, actually greater than or equal to. Yeah, okay. Greater than or equal to the template total items, then absolute index is going to equal that minus 1. So we fix that if that is the case. Also, I like to have my curly braces. Yeah. Then, while absolute index minus minus, yeah, total items minus max showed is where we are at right now. Then we will set selected row to be equal to bleh, brain is not working 100% efficiently right now. I'm sorry. Either it's at the bottom of the list, or selected row is less than otherwise, we'll do a scroll offset plus plus. Okay. I think that is all we need. This may not make any sense to anybody else but me right now, but we'll see if this works. Okay, wait. Okay, so that, and then we go to 5th floor. Fifth floor crashes, cool. I like the 4th floor. 4th floor crashes. Great. I also did not. I think that was the issue, that while loop. Okay, let's see. 5th floor. 5th floor. Sort of. No. It's always doing scroll offset. Max showed is 1. Yeah, it's already set up properly, so what the hell is going on here? Weird. Let's debug. Come on. Come on. Here we go. So absolute index is now 0, which makes sense. 8 total items. 7 max showed. Liquid row is 0. Scroll boundary row is 0. Liquid row plus plus. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I just flipped around the pointers. Oh my god, I bet one of my earlier implementations would have worked fine. Now the arrows aren't updating properly. Or rather, they're not initializing properly. Hmm. Okay. A scrollable multi-choice scroll offset. The fuck? It only updates it there and it doesn't ever read it. Except when creating the arrow pair. What the fuck? That's so weird. Why would it do that? I'm just gonna make it use task T scroll offset. Delete you. Delete you. I don't know why you're even here. Hell, I don't even know why this is done this way. Ah, yeah, I guess that's one. Nice. Nice. Now I'm not sure why it's doing that. That's odd. Oh, 5 and 6. 8005, 8006. I see. How was this originally done? Hold on. Oh, hydrate. Thank you. I will. Field specials. That's right there. Move elevator. Okay, so it copies the original department store floor into 8005. Yeah, okay. Alright, if that's unset, it sets that, copies that variable into 8005, shows the floor selection message, sets a variable 8004 to 0, special var, get department store default choice, then does a switch on that. And that switch is what I eliminated earlier. Okay. So it's just moving that down. I don't even think I need this 8004. Does this depend on 8005 or something? No, it literally just reads the current map. Or current floor number. Okay, we're on B4F. What? Okay, so this needs it for that. It's like set up just specifically so it has those two values in 8005, 8006. But then I'm coming along and fucking it up by having 8005 be reused otherwise. What if I'm smart and instead of doing this like this, hold on. Cut out all the cruft. Set this to 6. Come in here. Find 8005. Switch that out for 6. Come down here to this. And then do 8007 instead. And then I'm gonna call this move elevator. I'll do special move elevator. And here we go, 8005, 8006. We'll bump that up to 8006 and 8007. And then we run this. Oh, I didn't build with dependencies. Fucking hell. God damn it. Bullshit. Build, you piece of shit. Build, you piece of shit. Shit. Build, you piece of shit. Ah. It fucking works. All right. Fucking nice. Last but not least, I need to give, I don't know if you noticed this, but we need to give it a door animation. Just called the department store elevator. Instead of this being Metatel shop door elevator, this will be department store. Door elevator. Okay. Then what palettes do we use? It is palette 8. All of it is 8. And I have a feeling, well, I can just copy this from Fire Red actually. Door items, department store. Oh, really? Oh, no, that's department store elevator. Yeah, it is too high. Graphics, door animations, department store elevator. All right, build that. All right, and then we exit here. Hey! And then if, we need to make, I think, it just says sell it on department. Yeah. And it doesn't even say anything in this. Okay, so header. On the elevator, we don't show the location name. Okay. So now when we're trying to get the location name from fuck, what is it called? Cersei, map name pop-up, here we are. Okay. Yeah, get map name. Just handled here. And I'm pretty sure this is just the generic get map name thing. Yeah. Get map name, handle, aqua hideout. When is this used? Pokemon summary screen? I see. When is generic used? Save menu, then the party menu. The fuck? I'm really not sure why it does it this way, but okay. This just uses get map name, so I'm just gonna make a new wrapper for it. Get map name, handle, department stores. It'll just be handle special maps. Yeah, because how did Fire Red do it? Here we go. This is how it does it here. But I don't want to do it I don't want to do it quite like that. All right. Is Celadon department store. Is Goldenrod department store. If is Goldenrod department store. Then where's the the floor number thing happens here. I'm gonna rename this because I don't like the name so much. Get map name for summary screen. Get map name generic. Save menu location and party menu teleport and stuff. Get map name, handle, fairy secret base. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna basically do exactly the same thing as they're doing here. But I only want mine to trigger in certain locations. Not if it's hatched or anything, so just want to avoid that. Fairy, secret base, hideout, goldenrod department store. You know, I'm kind of surprised that if you're on the ferry in Emerald, it doesn't work. It wouldn't show that. Let's see. I think I can get to it here. Hold on. I want to take the ferry and see what happens. Can I take the ferry? Is this where I take the ferry? I don't think this is where I take the ferry. Here we go. No. Stern's shipyard. Boarding is handled at the harbor. Okay. Where is the harbor? Top right? This? No, this is the museum. Hey. All right, let's go to Lily Cove. Okay, so it does say ferry right there. Huh. Wait. Oh, duh, because this. Yeah. Hmm. So my issue right now is that I want it to appear there, but not on the summary screen. Because I don't want a Pokemon hatched there to look like it was hatched in the department store. I don't... Shouldn't it just be Goldenrod though? Okay, so all I want to happen is to be shown a Celadon department store whenever you're inside, and it's like at the top left it'll show like a little drop down Celadon department, just like in Goldenrod department, just like in Celadon City does the Celadon department like that. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. Yeah, I don't want the map sec to just be checked against Goldenrod and be like, oh, if you're in here and then eggs hatched here, eggs hatched in Goldenrod City will look like they were hatched in the Goldenrod department store. And that's the problem that I want to avoid. Instead of get map name handle special maps, let's make this get map name for non-summary screen menus. Yeah, well, can't get map name handle special maps. I'll just call it that. It's fine. And then in the party menu, use those. Shit. Oh, here it is. Okay. And then for map name pop-up, it does get map name. I don't know why they did it this way. This is so weird. Oh, wait. Something I wanted to check. Yeah, like if you enter a door, exit, it doesn't show the name fairy in the top left, so it wouldn't have had the need to do that. Awesome. Okay, so now I understand why that does the way it do. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's really cool, actually. I never knew it did that. That's really cool. Nice. All right, well, with my changes that I... Wait, fuck. Shit. Too many arguments to that. Oh, for padding, pad length. Yeah. Okay, come on. Come on, baby. Hey! Hey! See, this is what I'm talking about. You hit that, you hit save, and it'll sell down department. You go in the elevator, exit the elevator, it'll say go sell down apartment, first floor. And here it'll be sell down apartment, 6th floor, but I'll fix that. I'll make the pop-up more like fire reds. Something I just noticed that I never noticed before was this. Look at this. If I hit that, it'll be like sell an apartment. If I hit this, it won't do that. Now I'm curious to see what makes that happen. Oh, there's a map. They pop up. Okay. Ah, but you're still missing the recap feature. Yeah, I don't care about it. Sincerely don't care. Field CP show map name on continue. Wait, what? But Fire Red doesn't have it. Right? Like I walked out and back in and it didn't show it, so what gives? Yeah, 1F, walk in. It doesn't say it. Yeah, it says show map name is false. What gives? Oh, okay, I see. I see. If you hit B in the quest log, that's what happens. If you just do like pressing A through it, it won't do it. I'm not sure why it does it that way. Hi, welcome. Didn't even notice. This the stream should be over by now, but I'm just finishing up some stuff that I wanted to do. What do you guys think? Should it pop up the map name regardless of whether or not it normally would? Like, I can just comment this out and it'll just show whatever map name it is. But I don't know. I think it's not that necessary. Yep. Yeah, I don't know. Nah, I don't think so. Are you using the RHH Emerald base? No, I started working on my game a long time ago before Poke Emerald was even done. So I'm using my own shit this whole time. All of this is my own shit. Also because I don't need any of the features that they offer, so okay. So I guess the last thing to do on this would be to make the name badge bigger, but I won't do that right now. Because that is it for today's stream. That was a good productive time, guys. We got the 6th floor done. Wait, we got the elevator fixed, got the rooftop done. That was it. Oh, that might have been it. Whoops. Oh, thanks for another stream. You're welcome. It's always a good time. But yeah, that's it for today. Sorry, it didn't even notice. I started the stream 3 hours ago and I was gonna end it now anyway. But yeah, thanks guys. It has been a time and a half. I'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye.